Today guys, we're going to look at this Axminster Scholar pen turning kit with the 2 Morse taper fitting. Yeah, let's open up the box and see what we get. What have we got in the box? Dun, dun, dun. One set of instructions that tells you what you can, what accessories there are. So you get the compression mandrel, the Evolution Series one, some, what that is, a flyer of some sort. Let's have a look at the mandrel. I've never done pen turning before, so I've got no idea. Obviously that goes in the head end, Axminster Evolution Series. So let's just take that off. What have we got? So we've got this piece here that goes in the headstock, revolving, or the other way around rather. Sorry, this piece goes into the tailstock. I can't remember what is what. It's well made. And then we've got this bit here which goes in the head, the fixed piece, and then these bushings on there. Okay, that looks really good, well made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these. 2 are gold plated, I believe. One's 10 carat and one's 24 carat. They're slimline kits. You get a chrome ended slimline kit, you get a satin nickel, I guess that is, and then you get another chrome one. So what's the difference? Let's have a look at the lid. It tells you here. You get the Artisan Chrome A logo twist pen kit. You get the Artisan Chrome black clip twist pen kit. Artisan 24 carat pen kit. You get the nickel satin twist pen and the Artisan 10 carat twist pen kit. Okay, so we get some nice bit of walnut blank there. That looks like oak to me, oak blank. And then we get these acrylic ones. They look quite nice. I think these ones have got some aluminium in there by the looks of it. And this one definitely has, you can see it's got some sort of meshy aluminium stuff in. Oh, there we go. So that's what we get. Let's get it out of the box. Oh, and that one there, look. So you get 1, 2, 3. So you get 5 blanks, 5 different blanks. You get 5 pen kits. And then you get the mandrel itself, obviously.